Hey everybody, Eric Prospero here with the Microlearning Lab. Today I have somewhat of an anti-case study. And when I mean anti-case study, it's actually something we haven't done yet, but we're experimenting with. So just for context, I'm going to show you how you could potentially use AI technology to localize your live action videos. So for example, this video of myself, I can finally be speaking in Spanish, which I kind of know it, but now I can speak German. Let me show you what that means. Just for context, we produce a lot of live action videos. Usually our videos are a mixture of animation, live action, and then we make them interactive and then we load them onto platforms. However, we do get a lot of requests for localized content. And when this request comes through, we'll push our customers towards animation because localizing live action video content, it's hard. If you think about the options in the past, you've had dubbing. And when I think of dubbing, I just think of those old like kung fu movies where you know they're really not speaking. You have the ability to close caption in a different language, but automatically you're breaking some learning principles tied to dual coding in terms of visuals not necessarily aligning to text, and then you have another cognitive load theory issue. And so when I saw the technology, I was relatively excited. So in this specific video, I'm going to show you a case study where we used an English version, a Spanish version, and then how we use this technology to create a German version as well. So in the past, I produced a video on how we produced over 300 videos with SIA Learning. They also wanted us to translate half of those videos. This is a bit of a project because it's a lot of content. We decided to go with the route of actually paying for another set of actors. Again, a lot of times you're not going to have the resources to do this. And fortunately, we have resources for actors that are English and Spanish, but do we have local actors here in Arizona that can do German, Mandarin, Arabic? It gets a little difficult, especially people who are willing to be an actor on camera. So first, I'm going to show you an English version of the video now.
Now, let's practice our addition. Think about what you've learned when counting the say 10 way as you add. Watch as I model 35 plus 5 on my place value chart. What do you notice in the ones place? That's right. There are 2 5 groups. That means you can make a 10. Great job. Keep practicing your new skill, and I'll see you next time.
Now, that was a 30-second snippet of an English version that we produced for children's math videos. Let me show you the live action version that we used with an actor that had a native ability to speak Spanish.
¿Qué notas en la posición de las unidades? Eso es, hay 2 grupos de 5. Eso significa que puedes hacer una decena. Muéstrame tus palitos de conteo mágicos. Recuerda, cada dedo representa 1. Muy bien, sigue practicando tus nuevas habilidades y nos vemos hasta la próxima.
Now, in this particular case study, it was interesting because the customer was very happy. She was excited about the end product. However, we came across this technology and we produced a few examples using AI-generated lip dubbing. So we worked with the Lab Labs technology to produce voiceover that was aligned to the initial speaker, and then we produced the videos in Spanish just to show you an actual example, and then we're going to produce them in German. So here in Arizona, it's relatively easy to find English actors and Spanish-speaking actors. It gets a little more difficult with some other languages, as you would imagine. With that being said, let me show you the English version, just a quick 10-second snippet.
Today, we are going to learn to count the Say 10 way and practice adding numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. Hoy vamos a aprender a contar, diciendo 10 y a practicar la suma de números. ¿Estás preparado? ¡Vamos! Heute lernen wir das Zählen in Zehnerschritten und das Addieren von Zahlen. Bist du bereit? Los geht's!
Cuenta la forma de decir 10. Hoy aprenderemos a contar en la forma de decir 10 y practicaremos la suma. ¿Listos? En sus marcas, ya. First grade, Unit 1, Video 1. Count the way to say 10. Today we will learn to count in the way of saying 10 and practice adding. Ready? Klasse 1. Einheit 1, Video 1. Zählen auf die Art, wie man 10 sagt. Heute werden wir lernen, wie man auf die Art und Weise zählt, wie man 10 sagt und wir werden die Addition üben. Sind Sie bereit?
So we had the opportunity to partner with monsters, aliens, robots, zombies on this. And again, we're looking to be using this technology in the future. I'm very excited about the approach because it introduces a different type of option in terms of efficiency. Now, is it perfect? Absolutely not. Is the technology improving and is it impressive? Absolutely yes. This allows us to use the efficiency of live action for a lot more global projects. So we're excited. We're going to be producing more videos. Maybe you'll see a few videos of me speaking Mandarin. Maybe there'll be a video of me speaking Spanish. My parents will be proud of me. Who knows? But thank you guys for joining us. I'll include links to MARZ, Monsters, Aliens, Robots, Zombies, in the description. And by the way, the reason why they're named that way is because their background's actually in special effects in Hollywood. So e-learning is getting some Hollywood muscles now. Thanks, guys. Make sure to subscribe and have a great day.
If you want to continue learning about microlearning best practices, be sure to subscribe to our channel, the Microlearning Lab by Ninja Tropic. We'll keep sharing the latest tips, tricks, and techniques to help you get the most out of your training programs.